no
but
after
when
me.
Isa is coming.
They would be after me. Do you understand? Can you after me? Do you know what does that mean? What does that mean? I'm asking.
No prophet.
But Dawood, listen to me. Dawood, listen to me. One second.
I've got the verse here.
One second. Dawood, listen to me. Dawood, listen to me. Dawood.
You are talking too much. Just take time. I'm saying
You're
you're
getting emotional.
You said one thing. You are getting emotional because what I'm saying is that you said one thing.
You're putting you're putting your finger in my face and you're pointing at me and you're telling me I'm getting emotional.
I've got the verse of the Quran here for you.
This is the same
For idolatry. You want to hear it?
Do you want to hear it? Hear
hear
it.
the verse?
You're going against the Quran, isn't it?
For idolatry.
Shirk
for
is okay.
worshipping other
Shirk
than
is okay
Allah,
for
what will happen
Ahmadis.
to that
So, but
person?
it doesn't take him about
Shirk is okay for Ahmadis.
Okay, this is what it says.
Shirk is okay for Ahmadis. Didn't you know
So
that?
this is chapter 9.
If an Ahmadi prays to an idol, listen to
Surah 98.
Open the door for many things.
Surah 98 verse 6.
Listen to the words.
Surah 98 verse 6.
The Quran, yeah? You're not afraid of the Quran, are
If you
you?
open that door,
You're not afraid of the
Those
Quran.
who believe among the people of the scripture and the idolaters, he's not even going to listen to the Quran. I mentioned idolaters and he's running off. Do you want to hear the verse? Do you want to hear the verse?
hello, how are you?
Do you want to hear the verse?
So here what we see. Here what we see. This is one of the tactics of the Ahmadi. What the Ahmadi do
running away.
What the Ahmadi do is
him running away.
one of the things that
You
they
want to
do
hear the
is
verse, brother?
one of the things that they
You
do.
want to hear the verse?
It's okay. One of the things that you can read the verse in 1 second. So one of